Hi, welcome to my channel Inside Droid. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. To subscribe my channel, on the right side of your screen, you will see a subscribe button. Press in the subscribe button and press in the bell button as well to get more videos updates whenever I upload new videos. I am Abraham, and in this tutorial, I will show you how to arrange layout and wizards, and also will throw light on the logic part of Android app development. Okay, I will go to the app that we created in our last introduction video tutorial, that is Hello World. I'll tap on that, and now I will drag and drop this in the dustbin so that it gets deleted. And I want a linear vertical layout, so I have drag and drop on the main.xml and set the property layout width to match parent. We are done, and now I will drag image view on the layout, okay, and set the property enable to false, which means I have disabled. Okay, and now we want seekbar, so I'll drag and drop here. So what will happen whenever we move our seekbar from left to right, the size of the Android will be increased. Okay, but now I don't want my seekbar to be placed here. I want it to be placed down. So what we will do, we'll tap on the seekbar and tap on the properties. Okay, and then here down you can see translation X. So what is translation X? Actually, translation X is the position of the wizard or the layout from the left to the right. Okay, in this case we don't need, we want only the translation Y. Translation Y is the position of the layout or the wizard from top to down. Okay, so in this case I want to place it in the down around 350 dp or sp. Okay, and you can see it came to 350. That's it. So now we will go to the logic part. I will tap on the logic, and I have here logic, and you can see below logic there is a plus sign that is horizontal to events. I'll tap on that, and here I will tap on the seekbar on progress change because I want this. I'll add it by tapping on the add. Again I'll tap on the plus sign. Wherever and whenever I tap, you will see a white spot. Just follow that. I'll tap on the seekbar on start tracking touch and tap on add. Again I'll tap on the plus sign, and the last one seekbar on stop tracking touch. Okay, I have tapped there as well. Now we will tap on the start tracking touch so that we open the page. Okay, here what we will do, you can see on my right side below screen, variable is highlighted with the yellow color, and below that you will see a view in the list. So I'll tap on the view. Now we'll drag the first one, that is set enable. When you tap, there will be a vibration, and when there is a vibration, just drag it below here, even. Okay, even listener on start tracking touch, there is an even listener. Okay, now we'll set to the image view and select it, and we'll set enable to true because we want the image view to be enabled. So for that we'll tap on the operator and on the first list we have a true. We'll tap on that, and when it vibrates we will drag and drop here. Okay, now it is enabled. Now we'll go back to the view again by tapping on the view, and here we will set the image. Where is the image? Okay, set the image. Yeah, this is the one. Set image. I have tapped on set image, and when it vibrated I dragged and dropped here, and from the drop down menu I will select image view again, and from the set image drop down menu I'll select default image and save it. Okay, now we are done with this. We'll go back. So whenever we touch the seekbar, the image will be enabled from disabled to enabled, and the image also will be set to the default image, that is our Android image. Okay, so what will happen when we stop touching? So when we stop touching, we want the enable to be disabled. For that I'll tap on the set enable and drag it below the event listener stop tracking touch, and then select image view. Okay, from the image view let's go to operator first by tapping on it, and here I will drag a false and drop it inside. So whenever we leave the progress bar, the image will be disabled. Okay, so we are done in this case. Now we'll go to the on progress change listener. Okay, I'll tap on that and it opened. So now I'll tap on the view. Now we'll get the size of the image. Okay, see, you can, I will drag now set scale X. I'll tap on that. When it vibrated I dragged and dropped here, and from the view drop down menu I'll select image view 1, selected, and here this is the width of the image, the Android image. Okay, so we will set the width of the Android image. So the default size will be this one, get scale X. Okay, I'll drag and drop here, and from the image drop down menu I'll select image. So this is the default size of the image. Okay, now default size in the sense, what I mean to say is that the default width, get scale X is width and get scale Y is the height. So we need to get scale height as well. So before that we'll get the set size of the image. Okay, then now image view I have selected, and then here we'll get scale Y. This is the default height of our Android image. Okay, but what we want the size to be increased, the height and the width to be incremented by 1 every time we drag from the left to the right. So in that case, what we'll have to do, first of all, we'll tap on the operator, and from here in the list we'll get this divide. Okay, what we want the height and the width to be divided by the progress value, and the progress value will start from 0 to 100. Wherever our finger is, that is the progress value, current progress value. We want the current progress value to be divided by the height and the width, and we want the height and the width to be incremented by 1. For that we'll take this progress value, and first of all I want the width to be divided by the current value, and I want this to be incremented. For that I have to drag another plus, okay, and drop it here. Now I want this to be incremented, so I will give the value by 1, so I give the value 1. Now I'll drag this and drop it inside. The height of the image, so we have set the height, so every time we drag, the height will be, the width will be set to the width of the image. Okay, so now I'll check this again, divide. So I want the current progress value to be divided by the current height of the image, and I want this to be incremented, so I'm taking this plus sign, dropping here, and here I want incremented by 1, so I'll set 1. Now I'm done. I'll set back. Okay, we are done. We'll go back, we'll run it. We'll have to wait for some time. Okay, we are done. Install it. Done. And in this case, I'll go to the main page, and then here I'll search my hello world. Yes, this is my hello world. So now let's the drag. You see, whenever we drag, you can see the size increasing. Can you see it? And when you go back, it decreases. So now this is only rough, basic. So we have for basic, so we could this set to in the center as well. Okay, how to set this in the center? Okay, I'll just do it for you. Okay, I'll tab here, and where is my, okay, this is one. Yeah, so to set it in the center, we'll go to the view back, and we'll tap on the image, and we'll tap on the property. Here you can see this translation X and translation Y. Okay, so first of all, we'll set the Y. Okay, we'll give something like 150 dp or sp. I don't know exactly what measurement, what unit it is using. It will be either sp or it will be dp. Okay, so I have given translation Y. Now what happens, let's go back and see. It came down. Okay, now we want it came down from up to down, Y. Okay, so now when we set X, it will go to the right side, but the what do you call, Y will be same, only the X will be moved towards the right. Okay, right of our screen. Okay, so I'll tap on the property again. Now where is X? I'm doing this slowly so that you can understand what we are exactly doing, you don't mess up. Okay, let's give 100. You see, yeah, I think 150 will be better. Okay, let's give 150. Okay, 150, we are done. Yeah, now it's good. Let's run the program again. Okay, we'll install. We are done. Go to the main page, and this is our hello world. You can see it placed in the middle. So let's drag. Now it looks good, better. You can see it. Guys, if you like my video tutorial, please subscribe it, like it, and share it. Thank you for coming and watching my video.